Welcome everyone. This right here is the Brydge Pro Plus keyboard case. You can see Brydge at the back. This is obviously their actual case. Now I was asked by them to break it, break it beyond repair. So I thought, let's bend it, right? So we're gonna do a Brydge Pro Plus bend test, and we're gonna bend it until it breaks. Hopefully it breaks. So okay, let's do it like this. And we'll go like this. Oh my god. They said break. I didn't think it was. I thought it would be a bit easier. Because for natural use. Oh man. They didn't make it easy. Wow. I meant to break this. And I just remember it bending like the other one. But this one is refusing to bend. I guess it's because of the trackpad, who knows? I mean, oh no. We'll get a, what can we do? How can we shatter the glass? Let me just get something. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Like, even then, I don't know. Like, he said break it beyond repair. Clearly, they didn't get enough sales. Because, what am I meant to do? Right? Like, just, oh no. Oh no, this is so bad. Oh my god, it's like, I just don't know. Like, these scratches come off as well. Right, we're gonna try again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we can do this, 3, 2, 1. Oh, man, it's like, it doesn't flex. It literally doesn't flex. Right, let's do it like this. 3, 2, 1. Man. Oh, there was like a crack. Continue. It's just not easy. I thought this would be easy, but no. Nope, it's not. Right, let's try again. Let's get a better grip. 3, 2, 1. So annoying. Well, it's very sturdy, I'll give them that. Let's put it like here. Oh no, like this. Yeah, like this. Oh, that was the hinge. Okay. I think it's just the hinge moving. Yeah, it's just the hinge. Have we actually got a bend? Man, it's like, weird. I don't get this. I mean, it is metal, I guess, but I thought it would bend. Let's try like this. 3, 2, 1. And the tripod fell down. Right, try again. It's impossible. It's so sturdy. It's literally so sturdy. I know I can get it to snapping off if I try hard enough. Man, it's just not bending. Like, I'm really made. Okay, actually that side's bent. But is that the progress I wanted? No. So, can I like rip this off? No. Well, I would say it passed the bend test, to be honest. I mean, this is built a lot better than the normal Brydge Pro. So that's nice. I was expecting to bend it in half, but apparently that probably isn't going to happen. Not much else I can really do, to be honest. Like, that took a lot of effort, so I'll see you guys later.